student. How are you? Fine. બધાની તબિયત સારી હશે. તમારા પેરેન્ટ્સને યાદી આપજો. આજે આપણે બ્રિજ કોર્સના થર્ડ લેક્ચરમાં છીએ. We are in third lecture of our bridge course for 11th science. Now, first two lecture is completed. Now we are in our third lecture. Students, we are direct with me in third lecture. I am requesting you, please first watch my first and second lecture, then come to the third one. So you will enjoy. So now we are going to start our third lecture. Some tricks discussed about atomic number. Yes, here once again we will repeat and some another elements we will remember. So in our modern periodic table there are 7 rows and 18 groups. Group, what is group? Yes, vertical line is our group. So how many groups you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertical line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. There are 18 vertical lines. It is a group. Now what is period? Horizontal line is called a period. So there are 7 periods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 periods in our modern periodic table. Here hydrogen is taken here. Why? Hydrogen is lying down. Yes. Actually, place of hydrogen is not yet decided. Hydrogen no place હજી સુધી decided nothing. Due to its property, is not matched with any group. So hydrogen comes in first period, but group number is not fixed. So hydrogen we are taking in middle of the first vertical horizontal line. In first row, hydrogen comes in our first period, but group number is not decided. So in first period there are 2 elements you can see, 1 and 2. In the second period, this one is first period, second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In second period there are 8 elements. In the third period, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8. In the fourth period, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 elements. In fourth period. Now in fifth period, same, 18 elements. In period number 6, there are 32. How? Yes. There are 32 elements in period number 6. Cesium, barium. After here, star, you can see. Lanthanum. Atomic number is 57. Then after direct 72 થી start થાય છે. After lanthanum, starting with direct atomic number 72. So here 14 elements are missing. So which is here. 14 elements are missing between lanthanum and hafnium. And property of this element similar with lanthanum. So it is called lanthanide series. Lanthanide series. Yes. 14 elements. After lanthanum, there are 14. Property of these 14 elements are same with lanthanum. So here total 15 elements should be present. So these elements are taken separately. Actually, one of the part of our lanthanum. Yes. So 18 and plus 14. So 18 plus 14, 32 in sixth period. Now in seventh period, same. Here you can see actinide. Actinide series. Property of this 14. Actinium atomic number 89. Then direct start with Rutherfordium 104. Here also 14 elements are missing. So which are thorium to lawrencium comes here. Same property with actinium. So it is called actinide. Actinide series. Actinoids also. Actinide series, otherwise actinoids element. So this 14 comes here with actinium. I have 15 elements like this. So 18 plus 14. So here also 32 elements in the last period. Understood? Now I am giving you name. This one is lanthanum. After lanthanum, cerium, promethium, niobium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, terbium, ytterbium and lutetium. Where in actinoids, after actinium 89, start with thorium. Thorium, protoactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium. Now in our periodic table, how many elements are there? 118. 118. Out of 118, natural elements are from hydrogen to uranium. Natural elements up to uranium. Yes, up to uranium 92. And man-made, artificial elements start with neptunium to ogansenium 118. Ogansenium 118. These are artificial elements. So natural element out of 118. Hydrogen to uranium. 92 elements are natural. Naturally occurs where man-made, artificially made by G.T. Seaborg after 93 and after 100. Yes, element was made by G.T. Seaborg. So in honor of Seaborg, element name is given Seaborgium Sg. Our periodic table first time successfully made by Mendeleev. So element number 101 in honor of Mendeleev name is given as a Mendelevium. Understood? Okay, one by one. In the last lecture I have given you trick. Last line was not taken. Why? Intentionally not taken, because elements from here 89 is natural, but from 104 to up to 118 all are man-made and artificial. Sentence slip is not taken. Once again, our trick. Yes, I am repeating our trick. So, for better understanding of our new students, my little friends, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Hydrogen is in a first row, first period. Understood? Hydrogen. Now, once again, I had given you trick 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and 32. But this trick is for natural elements. Listen carefully. These 6 codes are for natural elements, not for man-made elements. Here, first group, remember, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. In last lecture, I told you atomic number of lithium we have to remember, which is 3. Here elements are all are natural. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 code and to remove karo. Last 5 code we are using. So 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 30, 19 plus 18, 37. 37 plus 18, 55. 55 plus 32, so 87. First element no atomic number याद हो, electric 3 याद रही जाए. These are code. Element are 6. Then we have to use the last 5 code. We are using. Beryllium first element check. And atomic number is 4. Here elements are 6 and all the 6 are natural. So we will use 5 code. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 18, 38. 38 plus 18, 56. 56 plus 32, so 88 is radon. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Understood? Now come to the group number 13. Yes. Align vertical line horizontally. We have to remember this line, this four, not vertical. Only vertical lines 1, 2 and 13 to 80 we have to remember. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Nihonium is not a natural element, which is artificial man-made. So your natural elements are 5. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Understood? Here natural elements are 5. Then we have to use only 4 codes, and which are last 4, not initial. Last 4. These to remove. Last 4. 8, 18, 18, 32. Now first compulsory we have to remember 5. Then we can apply our code 5 plus 8. So you can see 13. 13 plus 18. So 31. 31 plus 18. So 49. 49 plus 32. So 81 now. So what about neonium? Yes. Then add 32. 81 plus 32. So 3. 113. And another trick is also your last 2 digit is 13. So it should be member of group number 13. And this starts from here. Rutherfordium. You can see. Group number 4, last 2 digit 04. So group number 4, dubnium 05, seaborgium 06, group number 6, borium 107, 077, group 8, hafnium 08, 8, last two 09, so 9, manchesterium, thermostatium 110, rhongenium, last two 11, so 11, group number, copernicium Cn 112, this one FL, last 114, so last is the 114, so which is the flerovium. FL means flerovium, listen carefully, and C 115, in group number 15, last element you can see NC 115 is moscovium. Then 116, last member of group number 16 is livermorium, LB. 117, group number 17's last element tennessine, and Augensen 118. Understood? Last two digit indicates its place in periodic table. આના માટે નહીં, 104 થી આ બધા માટે નહીં, from 104 to 118 in atomic number પરથી we can decide group number 04, 05, 06, 07, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17 and 18. Now group number 14 also discussed in our last lecture. I told you treat in our mother tongue Kasi, Jatil, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Here Fl is the artificial. So natural elements are 5. So code should be 4, 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. So last 4. 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 18, 32, 32 plus 18, 50, 50 plus 32, 82. So what about the last one? Add there, 32, 82 plus 32, so 114, nothing else. In last 32 we have to add in lead. Nitrogen, here also nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, and NC, tell me, remember, moscovium. Tell me which one is the moscovium? 115. So for here natural elements are 5. So nitrogen 7 plus 8, so 15. 15 plus 18, 33. 33 plus 18, 51. 51 plus 32, 83. What about last one? We have to add 32 there. 115. Understood? Now O Sasi tempo. This one is the man-made natural R5. So 4 code 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 18 34, 34 plus 18 52. Then after 32, so 84. What about livermorium? Yes, 84 plus 32, so 116. Now group number 17, there are also 5 elements natural. Last one is the man-made artificial: fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So first one compulsory, atomic number we have to remember. Natural are 5, so code will be 4. 8, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 18, 35. 35 plus 18, 53. 53 plus 32, 85. And 85 plus 32. So 117. Now last one. Ini akri zere against. There are 7. Out of 7, 6 are natural. Helium, neon, krypton, xenon and radon. 6 are natural. So called will be 5. First of atomic number helium 2, then 8 add karo 10. 10 plus 8 18. 18 plus 18 36. 36 plus 18 54. Then last 38 2. So 86 of radon. What about last one? Add there 32 in last one. 118. Understood? આટલું રિમેમ્બર થઈ ગયું. 1 2 13 to 18 completed. But we have to remember only 11. Total periodic table other need nothing, no need to remember all. Only this portion. 1 to 13 to 18. And now in the fourth period, scandium to zinc, not vertical line but horizontal. From group number 3 to 12, we have to remember horizontally, not vertically. We will remember that 4 lines only horizontally, not vertical. આડી લાઈનમાં યાદ રાખશું. સ્કેન્ડિયમ, ટિટેનિયમ, વેનેડિયમ, ક્રોમિયમ, મેંગેનીઝ, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. 21 to 30. Scandium, atomic number 21, titanium 22, vanadium 23, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, cobalt 27, nickel 28, copper 29 and zinc 30. Then after strontium, here ytterbium. तो वर्टिकल होरिजेंटल. यटरबियम, जिरकोनियम, नियोबियम, मोलिब्डेनम, टेक्नीशियम, रुथियम, रोडियम, पैलेडियम, silver and cadmium. Now here lanthanum. Yes sir. This one is the lanthanum 57. Then 14 are missing is our here. So 14 plus 1, 15 elements are in one box. Remember, because of all the 14 elements having same property, similar with lanthanum, so it is called lanthanide series. This 14 is part of this portion. So these elements are comes in period number 6 and group number 3 here. Now 14 elements no place અહીંયા છે with lanthanum. So now starting with I-15 complete, then hafnium, tantalum, tungsten, rhenium, osmium, iridium, platinum, aurum and mercury. No need. અત્યારે આ portion છે આટલું. No need. We will remember in 12th this portion. You have to remember for 11 group 1 to 13 to 18. And only one line, scandium to zinc. Now iridium, platinum, aurum, gold and mercury. Then after actinium, here also 15 elements which are actinium, then another 14. After actinium, thorium, protoactinium, uranium, neptunium, plutonium, americium, curium, berkelium, californium, einsteinium, fermium, mendelevium, nobelium and lawrencium. 14s are present there here in one box. So place of this element is not here actually, in period number 7 and group number 3 and including with the actinium. Then after 104, tell me. 104 is the Rutherfordium. 105 is the Dubnium. 106 Seaborgium. 107 BH Borium. 108 Hasmium HS. then 109 magnesium, then DS 110 thermostatium, RG 111 francium, CN copernicium, NN nihonium, NFL flerovium, moscovium, livermorium, tennessine and againson are elements of periodic table. એટલે તમને આ લાઈન યાદ રખાવી, આ કરાવી દીધું, સ્કેન્ડિયમ ટુ ઝિંક કરાવી દીધું, ઓવર આટલો પર્સન્ટ, પછી ક્યારેક તમને પાકો કરાવી દઈશ. યસ 100%. 1 to 13 to 18 complete, then only one line from scandium to zinc. Only remember this. This portion we will discuss in next step. Here, how to define? Yes, I am giving you trick. Place of the element in period and in the group. There is a trick. Yes, I have a trick and I am giving you the trick. How to define place of element. But remember, તમને atomic number આવડવું જોઈએ. Yes. Once atomic number we remember, otherwise given in exam. So we can define place of element particular in our periodic table. So first to decide place of element. First trick number 1. First to decide place of element in period. પહેલા આપણે એલિમેન્ટ છે એટમિક નંબર. સપોઝ element number 42 is given. Atomic number is 42. So there is a trick. Yes, these are trick. Last line is our trick. And that is inert gases. Yes, inert gases. All the elements. 6 are out of 7. 6 are natural. Against is a man-made, artificial. Now, what we have to remember first? Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and against. Atomic number 2, 10, 18, 36, 54, 86 and 118. આ તો કીધું ને, last two digit 11 એટલે group number 11 જ હોય. Now 42 is our atomic number. So any પહેલા, before that, which one is inert? Yes, krypton is inert. And after 42, which one is inert? Xenon. First we have to decide. Helium means first period, neon means second or third, fourth. Our last element of first period. This one last element of second period, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. These are 7. So after 36, our atomic number. So fourth period over. The fourth period પછી જશે and before xenon, which is lying in period number 5. You can see. Understood? Like this, suppose atomic number 74 is given. How can we define period number? This row compulsory you have to remember: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, against. 74. Before 74, inert element is xenon, and after 74 is radon. So our element is lying down between xenon and radon. After xenon and before radon. After xenon and before radon. So xenon is completed. Why? Atomic number is 74. So it comes in the sixth period. Yes, sir. So you can see 74. Sixth period. Understood? Any elements we can decide. Now how we can decide period number of the element? These are the trick. One, for the getting the number, period number. Now trick number second. To get group number of the element. Second trick for to get a group number of the element. એટલે તમને જે એલિમેન્ટ given છે એનું ગ્રુપ નંબર ડિસાઇડ કરવું છે. So now suppose the 14 number. Atomic number is a 40. We have to decide exact place in our periodic table. So before 40 comes krypton, after 40 comes the xenon. So it is lying down between krypton and xenon. Understood? So krypton वाली लाइन में तो આવશે જ નહીં કારણ કે 36 થી more છે અને 54 થી less છે. It comes in period number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It is final. Now how can we decide group number? Yes sir. આનો એટોમિક નંબર છે ને પછીનો ઇનર્ટ કયું છે 54. 54 minus 47. Yes sir. Our atomic number we have to subtract from the next element which is inert, the last element. એટલે આ એલિમેન્ટ જે પીરિયડ માં છે તો 5th પીરિયડ માં તો 5th પીરિયડ નું 1 2 3 4 and 5 લાસ્ટ એલિમેન્ટ એટલે xenon એના એટોમિક નંબર થી સબટ્રેક્ટ કરો એટલે 14 and 14 now we have to subtract from 18. 18 minus 4, 14, so 4. So here 4. Zircon. Understood? I hope you enjoyed it. Yes, our lecture is running. If you enjoyed, then share my video, like, subscribe and send to your friends. Now listen once again. Suppose atomic number is 23 and we have to define place in our periodic table. So 23 is between 18 and 36. Clear? 18 પછી અને 36 ના before આવી જાય. 23 comes after 18 and before 36. We crossed our 18 boundary. So third period is over. So it should be in fourth period. So fourth period no last element 36 number છે. So 36 minus 23. 6 minus 3 ચાલે 3 1. So 13 આવ્યું. And that 13 we have to subtract from the 18. Yes. So 0 5. So group number 5. Vanadium 23. Period number 4 and group number 5. Exact place we can define. This is the trick. Once again, what about suppose xenon is given? Suppose atomic number is 54. So no problem. Xenon. So last one is xenon. So 54 minus 54, 0, 0. So 18 minus 0, it should be 18. Yes, xenon is a member of group number 18. This trick is not applicable for these elements. Yes, sir. This is limitation. For all the elements, trick is applicable. But for this is not applicable. Yes, I am giving you some problem occurs when you find sir. I am taking atomic number 89. So 89 is after 86 and before Oggensen. 89 છે લેટર પછી Oggensen પહેલા આવશે. So 6th period completed. So it means it is in period number 7. Final period number 7. 89 we have to subtract from the last member of the group number, last member of the period number 7. So Oggensen 118 minus 89. So 10 plus 8, 18 minus 9, so 9. Here 10 minus 2, 29. Here difference is 29. So how can we subtract from 18? It is not possible. So in that particular case, we have to subtract from whenever difference atomic number જે પીરિયડમાં છે એના લાસ્ટ એલિમેન્ટના એટોમિક નંબરમાંથી સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ કરીએ and which is comes more than 18. 18 હોય તો નહીં, more than 18, 19, then after. So we have to on that particular place, don't worry, subtract from the 32. 18 નહીં, 32 માંથી subtract કરવાનું. So 0, 3. So 89 number comes in period number 7 and group number 3. It is actinium. Understood? I hope બધાને સરસ સમજાય છે. I hope everybody understood that. Now last one, barium 56. We have to decide the place of the barium. So barium, atomic number of barium is 56, which is after 44 and before radon. 54 3 less છે, more છે, અને 86 થી less છે. એટલે 86 means radon. It comes in period number 6. So 56 we have to subtract from 86. એટલે જે એટોમિક નંબર આપેલું હોય એમને તે પીરિયડના લાસ્ટ એલિમેન્ટના એટોમિક નંબરમાંથી સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ કરો. So 86 minus 56, so 30. So we can't subtract 30 from 18. So 32 minus 30. So it will be 2. So group number 2 and period number 6. I hope everybody enjoyed my lecture. તમે બધાને મજા આવી હશે. તમારા વાલીને પણ યાદી આપજો. અને PDF કલરમાં જોતી હોય તો હું તમને મોકલીશ periodic table. In next lecture we will discuss about some more tricks. Once again, share my video, like video and subscribe. So you get my new videos and new tricks in our next lecture. In next lecture we will discuss about valency chart. and nomenclature of the compound. Here periodic table is completed. Trick I have given you. Bye. Take care. Stay home. We will meet in our next lecture.